What I wish I knew about the world's most incredible trees. These giants are mind-blowing. First up, the mighty General Sherman. Towering 275 feet high in Sequoia National Park, this colossal sequoia is over 2,200 years old. It's the largest tree on Earth by volume. Next, Hyperion, the world's tallest tree. Standing at a jaw-dropping 380 feet in a secret location within Redwood National Park. Heading down under, we meet Centurion. This Eucalyptus regnans in Tasmania reaches an impressive 329.7 feet. It's the tallest flowering tree and hardwood species on the planet. In Oaxaca, Mexico, the Árbol del Tule boasts the thickest trunk of any tree, measuring 137.8 feet around. At over 1,500 years old, it's a symbol of endurance. Finally, New Zealand's Taine Mahuta, the Lord of the Forest. This ancient kauri, over 2,500 years old, stands 168 feet tall and holds deep cultural significance for the Maori people. These trees are nature's giants, standing as timeless monuments. Share this video if you're as awestruck as we are.